Hey everybody, welcome to another adventure. Today we are here at Pine Grove Furnace State Park. We're going to hike a bunch of little trails, a couple little trails that I've never been on when I've been out here. I've been out here before, but usually we go up Pole Steeple or hike the Appalachian Trail here. So today we're going to check out a couple little trails. I'll show you on the map what we're doing. And before I get any further, I want to say thanks to everybody for all the responses. A few videos ago, my camera died, and all of you reached out to me with well wishes, your support. A lot of you sent me super thanks, sent me money. So I will tell you that money will be going for a new camera here very soon. So you won't have to put up with this cheap little camera. So bear with me for a few more videos till I get a good camera. But like I said, I'm just overwhelmed at the response of you guys. So thank you all of you that watch, all of you that donated, all of you that wish me well. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But anyway, let's get this adventure started.
So we are parked right here. The plan is to take this Brickyard Trail over and then hike a little bit of road, go down a little bit of the Appalachian Trail, check out the Swamp Trail right here, then we'll come back out, follow the AT back down the road, and probably take the Creek Trail back around and then back up and over to where we're at now. That's the plan, so come along.
And it's another 70-degree November day. Very nice. Very thankful for a day like this in November. And I'm already liking this trail. Can any of you guess why? You guessed it. The tall, beautiful pines. Not sure why I like tall pines so much, and look at this, wow, how big this is. It's probably because they're green all year round. There's always color. They always have color no matter what season it is. They're always green. I think that's why I like them. Wish I could be that way in the dead of winter. I sometimes get very down, very depressed, but if I could be like the evergreens and always be showing color even in the winter. Anyway, enough rambling.
Wow, what a beautiful forest. I never knew this was here. I just left the parking lot and opens up into this. Wow. I don't know if it's coming across on camera how nice this is. Wow, very nice, big pines. Wow.
Do-do-do-do-do. This is crazy. Here's my number. So call me maybe. Any part I'm thinking of is this is crazy. This is crazy. Wow. Crazy beautiful. Here's my number. Call me maybe. So we are off of that trail already. And now we're along the lake here a little bit. And past the lake we should hit that swamp trail. So I should soon be seeing a sign for swamp trail because this looks like a swamp. Oh no. And just as I say that, I didn't see that's a nice swamp trail right here. So that was very short, but nice little trail. It was very short. So, we're done with that little swamp trail. I think we'll head back on the AT. So everything out here is beautiful. Every spot really nice. Very nice. So we are looking for one more trail, the Creek Trail. We passed a lot of historical sites, the old furnace, the mansion house, or master's house, all kinds of old historic spots up there. I didn't record any of that because that deserves a video all its own, and someday I may come here and do that. Bob and I were at the furnace last year when we hiked Pole Steeple, so if you want to see the furnace, check out the Pole Steeple when Bob and I were there. We checked out the furnace, but we're looking for that Creek Trail. And we found the Creek Trail. So, I have not figured out yet why they call this the Creek Trail. I have yet to see a creek on this trail. Now maybe during the wet seasons there's some of these little gullies or creeks out there. Haven't seen a creek on the Creek Trail. And just as soon as I said that, looky here. But it's so small and tiny. But there is a creek. I guess that's our creek for the Creek Trail. Wow. But it's still a nice trail, don't get me wrong. creek, creek, stream. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. So we made it back to where we started. It was about a 4-mile hike. Thanks for coming along. I had a lot of fun here, a lot of trails I never saw before. I really love the beautiful pines that are around here. Anyway, as always, thanks for coming along. Please forgive me for the camera work. Thanks to you all, I should be getting new equipment soon. Anyway, bear with me until that happens. But as always, God bless all of you. I'm praying for all of you. And we'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.